Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to create a wireframe in Figma, either manually using basic shapes or faster with component libraries and AI tools. Let's start with the manual method, which is perfect for low-fidelity wireframes. Press F to create a frame and choose a preset size like iPhone or desktop from the right panel. Then use simple shapes to build your layout. Use rectangles to represent images or content blocks, ellipses for avatars or circular icons, and lines to divide sections or suggest secondary text. Add text with the T tool, and instead of using lorem ipsum, write clear headings so the structure and hierarchy make sense. Keep your color palette limited to black, white, and shades of gray to stay focused on user experience rather than visual design details. If you want to work faster, you can use ready-made kits and plugins. In the Figma community, search for wireframing kits like Simple Design System or Wirefigma to access pre-built components. There are also wireframe plugins that offer hundreds of drag-and-drop elements. And with Figma AI, using the First Draft tool, you can generate entire wireframes just by describing your project. Finally, to make your wireframe interactive, switch to the Prototype tab in the top right. Select an element like a button, drag the blue connector to the destination screen, and set the interaction, for example, on click to navigate to. This allows you to quickly test the user flow. And that's it. You now know how to create a wireframe in Figma, whether you prefer building it from scratch or speeding things up with libraries and AI.